Here are some people that I think are inspiring. Jim Carrey, comedian, actor, worked the night shifts in the factory, worked as a janitor, lived in a van, and fought dyslexia to become one of the highest paid comedians. Colonel Sanders, founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken. His recipe was rejected over 1,000 times and earned 5 cents per chicken from his restaurant. 9 years later, KFC was the largest restaurant chain in the USA. Robert Kiyosaki, author and entrepreneur, Vietnam veteran, former copy machine salesman, and author of the famous book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Oprah Winfrey, talk show host, born to a housemaid and a coal worker, got pregnant at the age of 14, was a millionaire by the age of 32, the queen of media. Sam Walton, founder of Walmart, grew up on a farm, milked cows and sold milk, delivered newspapers, founded the world's largest retail chain. Stephen Hawking, physicist, diagnosed with ALS at the age of 21, lost the ability to speak or move, defied all the odds and became one of the world's most famous scientists. Jack Ma said, "Today is difficult. Tomorrow is much more difficult, but the day after tomorrow is beautiful." And most people die tomorrow evening. I'd like to change die to quit. Quit right before the thing would have gotten real good. The key to success is the ability to overcome setbacks and keep taking small, consistent steps forward. Believe in yourself. If, like me, you'd like your life to go from the everyday grind to awesome, comment awesome and I'll send you the link to check it out. All the best.